Lympung Ialehkai sports jong ki school ye kabalatip kum ke district level inter-school athletics meet jong senyam arjar arpun riu bala penyai tak Ophis district sports officer di Bhoi district kalapoi no asya kapakut mentang sengi ka arpa sau trip yayong. Hakini ke Lympung ke St. Alfred secondary school marngar ke long school ke belakur bon teli ki point ha barok ki jing ko bat ke lakur sendan ye ke nam Lahduh lani overall champion hakati ke Lympung district level inter-school athletics meet jong senyam arjar arpun riu. Nakliang ke Ophis UDSO, kelasam ru iki khusnam best team hagate sengi, ha ke kerdan under 14 ki kenthai, lara da ke MECL secondary school kerdam kulai, bat ha kaliang ki shenrang lara da ke Nong Sangu secondary school. Ha ke kerdan under 16 pan, ha kaliang ki kenthai lara da ke St. Alfred secondary school marngar, bat ke St. Paul high secondary school Nongpo. Ha kaliang ki shenrang, Katba haka under 18 pan lara da kanong tulu high secondary school D1 hakaliang ki kenthai bat ka St. Paul high secondary school hakaliang ki shenrang. Ya katay ka Lympung Ialehkai sports kabalay sngi lawan ban penhap lamano do MLA kanong po kumukongsan ha kabalasaki langru do baar syadap di SEO Bhoi kumusembut kongsan I marak assistant commissioner ke Bhoi ba Bobby Nongbet district sports officer lambat kiwe-kiwe. Hakani kesengi penkut na kaliang ke Ophis UDSO kala penkut buram ru ikino Ialehkai sports ki bakur takmah ke jing Ialehkai sports ki kerdan national level bat la pendon buram ru ya ke kemi jong ke Samla retina hansi kano Ialehkai sports jong ke district ke badang syuklat shen. Na kaliang ke DSO kala pentip bagi la dep ru banjit ikino Ialehkai sports na kete ke Lympung ki ban select shiminta sya ke state level ha ke bakin ha ban penkrep ha bat kilan met bah kenang bikin yo ban wanra ikan nam job ha kete ke Lympung.
Namero Sharap from Christian Higher Secondary School. All those athletes kindly come behind the victory stand and report here.
The fourth time, we request you to kindly report to the victory stand immediately. Thank you. The silver medal is backed by the relay team of Sumanta Sangadev Secondary School and the athletes we have Aditya Binong, Franson Barka, Laswinson Inti and Johnson Mahjong. The silver medal is backed by the relay team of Non the Bhoi mentioned the tennis guard, but the bronze medal had a sector. The first zone computer in they are loser, but we must remember one thing. As Swami Vivekananda have rightly said, to each and every one of you, which will motivate you, arise awake and do not stop until you achieve your goal. Among all of you students, athletes who are present here today, many of you have got gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. Those many of you who haven't had a privilege to have a medals, it doesn't matter, you can try next time. I wish you all the best. All the athletes who are present here, when you will go back from this place this evening, you will go back with memories that you will carry forever, that you will remember the kind of events that has been organized in this very ground. To all the athletes, the principal, the students who are here, as well as officials from the Sports and Education Department, I must place on record my sincere thanks to the Sports Department, as I have said in my opening remarks. And I'm thankful to the department that in the next 2 years, we are going to have a ground which will be a place in which you can perform well, which will be known as a synthetic athletic track here in Pahang Sim. The work has started, the work order has been issued, and this synthetic athletic track come natural ground. It has been made at a cost of 14 crore. The work has already started, and I hope that in the next 2 years, the district level and the school athletic meets will be conducted in the very new ground in which each and every one of you can perform, you can display your skill on the ground, which will be available for each and every one of you. And I hope that the dream and aspiration of the young boys and girls of Bhoi district, we have seen a good example that has been led from the front, or at least that has been just facilitated here. I forgot the name of each and everyone, but I remember Andrisha Klein, I met. She's one of the athletes who have just recently won medals from the event that has been held in Orissa. As other athletes also who have brought glory and laurel to the state. At the same time, ngasko banpa kadi ngasko lem makane kaposi badan batni hanni ibala klap ha gadingja ka basusi ba accident hanni po sumer. Kadi gadingja ka basusi ide iwei na ki athletes ibala pendenduram ya ka Bhoi district ka bi ke jongi andre isuto ke jongi im jongi ki breu kamshong hangi ke shong au trai long go long thau lai bit ban shimno i shalade ha ka por ka ba idang Samla idang por idang dan klan ba idang donru hapo jong training ban pentimit yelede ban shim banta ha ka national games kan balong house nem arja nyo kong pidan hang ni iso bon pha ni so lem yepi play nai jing ja khat i ge yeng ga sep de pi onang ker khu yepi ha ki por ki banangwan ki Samla ki bi